Here's how to use form data to personalize follow-up emails, and I'll show you how this can level up your email game in just a few minutes. Whether you're running a business, collecting leads, or handling customer inquiries, personalizing follow-up emails is key to standing out. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a simple method to boost your engagement, and I'll share a special free trial of the software we're using that's exclusive to viewers of this channel. When you collect form data from visitors, whether it's through a contact form, a sign-up sheet, or a survey, you're sitting on a goldmine of information. The goal is to use that data to craft emails that don't feel like generic blasts, but rather a conversation tailored specifically to the recipient. The trick is to use dynamic variables like their name, interests, or any other info you've gathered to personalize your follow-up. First off, gather the form data. This can be as simple as the fields on a contact form or more complex survey results. For example, if someone fills out a form saying they're interested in email marketing or social media tips, you've already got a personal connection point to mention in your email. You'd be surprised how much of a difference using their name or referring to something they specifically selected can make. It shows them that you're paying attention, and people love that. Next, you'll need a system in place to capture that data. There are various ways to do this, but the software we'll be using for this demo allows you to automatically pull that form data into your email system. Many email marketing platforms like this one integrate directly with your forms so that every time someone fills one out, the details are added to your email automation system. It can pull in things like first name, company, and specific interests and store them for future use. Once you have the data ready to go, set up dynamic content in your emails. This is where the magic happens. Instead of sending a generic follow-up, you can personalize the email using tokens. Let's say you're using software that integrates with your form data. Simply input the token where you want it to appear, like the person's name or interest. For example, hey, first name. I saw you're interested in email marketing. By doing this, each recipient gets a unique email that speaks directly to them. But don't just stop at names or interests. You can also use more advanced data, like the user's last visit, items they showed interest in, or even how long they've been on your list. This lets you send highly targeted emails like, it looks like you're still considering email marketing for your business. Here's a resource to help you decide. Again, it makes the email feel much more relevant and less like a mass email sent to hundreds of people. The best part? These emails can be fully automated. Once you've set up the process of collecting and storing the data, you can automate the emails based on user actions. For instance, if someone filled out a form for a free trial, you can set up a follow-up email that goes out automatically 24 hours later, checking in to see if they need help or offering additional resources. You don't even need to lift a finger after the setup. Key takeaway: personalizing follow-up emails using form data is a game changer. By gathering relevant data and incorporating it into your email automation, you can craft emails that feel personal and relevant to each recipient. The right software makes this process seamless, pulling in the data and inserting it where you need it, making it look like you wrote that email specifically for them. So before we wrap up, remember that I've linked an exclusive free trial of the software we're using in the description below, just for viewers of this channel. If you want to follow along with what I've shown here, go ahead and check it out. That's it for today's tutorial. Take advantage of that free trial, start using form data to personalize your emails, and watch your engagement soar.